Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm cleaning up a Yankee No. 990 drill press Vise. They're out of Philadelphia, PA. It was patented on December 8th, 1914. This was turned down and reduced in size to almost erase the original thread. But it's still there, just a little bit. And since this thread is nearly 100%, they still engage each other. So I have to screw that in order to get it to go. Now that up nice and snug. And the sides of this thing cleaned up nicely. This will slide back and forth like I want it to. Now, if I hadn't lost the bearings on the wire brush machine and smoked the other grinder, I would probably wire brush these screws. But for now, we're just gonna call it good enough for what we got. Working perfect. Get a little bit of a touch across the top of the jaws. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Assembled it backward. Oh, the silly mistakes. This jaw uses this little clip ring here to lock this floating jaw into the movable jaw. Perfect. Yankee number 990. One very nice little Yankee number 990 made by Worth. One very nice little Yankee number 990 Vise made by North Brothers Manufacturing Company, Philadelphia, PA, under patent number DEC 814. Pretty cool. Now, get the wire brush machine back together again, and we'll give it some paint. So now I have the vise squared up. It still needs to be wire brushed and painted because it's still got some fussy stuff on it. But as far as working, it's working great now. Little movable jaw, nice touch. Thread's working. Sides are square with the base. Looks good. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.